All right, on number one, it says quadrilateral A has side length 6, 9, 9, and 12. Quadrilateral B is a scale copy of quadrilateral A with its shortest side length of 2. What is the perimeter of B? So perimeter is the distance around the outside of the shape. To find the distance around, we add up all the sides. So if I go 6 plus 9 plus 9 plus 12, I get 36. So the perimeter of the quadrilateral A is 36. Okay? It says my shortest side on quadrilateral B is 2. So 2 matches up with the shortest side on A, which is 6. So to get from 6 down to 2, we are going to divide by 3. So we can also divide all those other sides by 3 to figure out the 4 side lengths for quadrilateral B, or we could just divide the perimeter by 3, and that will give us the new perimeter. So 36 divided by 3 is 12. So my new perimeter is 12.